Good morning. It's bright and sunny today. That's what outside looks like, but I'm sure it's really cold. Anyway, I'm waiting for my sister. She's on her way to this place. She called me this morning at about what time? Say just before 9 to say that she's really hungry and she hopes I have interesting things. Say good morning. Good morning. There she is. Hello? Okay, go. Come in. It's open. Yeah, open. Yeah. Bella, your auntie is here. Let's go and open the door for her, okay? Okay, open.
Oh, she's looking so big.
Who's looking big?
Bella.
No.
Okay, Bella, I'm coming. So she told me that.
Come here.
Nothing is too late. That we're all going to.
Yeah, packing up because we're moving very soon.
So,
Bella is so excited. Bella, are you happy?
Oh, ma voisine. Oh non. Oh, ma voisine. Ma voisine d'à côté.
Oluchi na bribe my mom her plan, so in case all my anger will everything can they go bring anger will can they my way with
Never what the wrongest person.
in nobody's hair
What the wrongest person.
if nobody's hair or nobody's hair
What the wrongest person.
at least this hair was number one.
What the wrongest person. She just
Good.
Please, can you say it again? Oluchi the good. I'm good. My cooking is number
This
one.
food is really good.
Thank you. So I'm making your own smoothie. But I'm adding banana. I don't like my smoothie with banana.
Which food is good?
C'est ma voisine. Louis V, Chanel, Gucci, au sexy fashion. Tu peux prendre tout ce qui est à moi, oh baby, vas-y. Oh yeah. Elle a le cœur si sublime, oh sexy ladies, my ladies. Ma voisine, ouais, mon sourire, ouais. Elle me prend la tête. Ma voisine, ouais, mon sourire soir. Elle a le truc qui tue. Ma voisine, ouais, mon sourire, ouais. Elle me prend la tête.
Okay.
Oh, she came through.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Yes, Saksamoto's from Nigeria. And some goodies. Thank you. Okay, I can't wait to see what you got for me. Thank you. So, let me show you guys what I've got. Oh, this is Udara Abalumo. Yeah. All the way from Nigeria, and it's so juicy and sweet. Stock cubes, Maggi, that's better. And what is it? Ginger powder. Ginger. Then you have the curry powder. Oh, olives, okpa. My all-time favorite. Oh, Oluchi, and then all the to cook and get with it. These, some more hot cubes. One of those things for pepper soup. Okay, cafe. Cafe, what's the name of it?
This thing was in here. Bella found the pencil. Come on, let's go.
Just go down, go shoe.
No, I know.
Oh, and oh yeah, she's going to get she saw some potted plants, some artificial flowers at my place, so she's going to get them. I mean, she's inspired by me.
Definitely, because my live orchids just died like that, so I want the ones that will not die quickly.
Okay, yeah, you're better off with the artificial ones until you can take care of orchids. Yeah. So let's go. And it's so rainy. Look. London weather for you.
I might empty my bank account, bought up with a pipe, bought up with a pipe.
I might empty my bank account, bought up with a pipe, bought up with a pipe. I might.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this?
I might.
Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes through clear. All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. It's my favorite part, we see the lights, they got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it with our arms. Wrist on the wrist, a link of charms. Lane, we're still a link apart. Like we could die here all young, like we could die here all blonde. We could see in 2020, twice we could see it to the end, yeah. Baby, on her face, put the spotlight.
So you found the what do you call them again? The plants. Potted plants.
This lasts forever.
Ooh, okay, yes. I'm definitely going to pick flowers from here.
Time's gonna shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Oh shoot, good gravy, searing out my diamonds while I'm hopping out of spaceship.
I just have to get the value for my money. I will just taste this. I have the rest. This is the one that I like. I really like this. It's a bit sour. So you can tell that I still haven't really gotten over the fish and meat aversion. See, I only pinched a bit and I'm done. And I'm eating more of my vegetables. So I've just come back home and I want to make dinner. I feel like having okpa. So let me prepare and make my okpa. So I just put the mixture. Yeah, this is what it looks like. The mixture in little sandwich bags, and then this is, since I don't have a drawstring, so I just improvised with like a regular bag. I cut them into strips, and that's going to be my drawstring. And here, there. So you see, oh, there we go. So that's what one bag looks like. Well, I already opened it, but this is what it looks like. So hey guys, Hope you guys are doing well. So I went out briefly to run a few errands, and yeah, let me show you guys my badge. That's my badge. It says baby on board. So I got this from Transport for London. Basically, if you're pregnant, you can, here in London, you can apply for it and then it will be sent to you. So yeah, I received it, and yeah, like you get priority when you enter public transport, like when you're using the public transport. So you get priority treatment. If all the seats are occupied, someone just has to get up for you to sit. So yeah, that's part of it, whatever. Anyway, I just had to grab some fruits because sorry, I have to remove my wig. I had to grab some fruits from a market around. So basically, these people sell really affordable fruits. I mean, you get a basket of bananas or whatever you want, and you pay £1, as opposed to getting them and they're all organic, and as opposed to buying them at what do you call them, you know, the supermarket. So let me show you. I got this bowl of strawberries there for £1. Normally I'll pay more when I'm getting it from the regular stores. Then I got these bananas, these beautiful looking bananas, £1 as well. Those in there. And then what else do we have? I got, like, I love grapes. You know, the grapefruit, more like the pink, the ones that when you cut they're red inside. So I got 5 of them for £1 as well. Then I also got, what did I get? I got 7 apples. These are what the apples look like. These are the apples. So I got 7 of them for £1 as well. What else did I get? Oh, and then I got this as well. I got it for £1. So yeah, basically those are the things I picked up on my way from running the errand. And right now, just because I've got quite a ripe banana, I'll find one that's quite ripe again, and then I'm going to make banana bread, and I'm going to cook pepper soup for my husband. So I'll see you guys. Let's prepare. This is what my hair looks like. I weaved it myself yesterday. Yeah, there, that's it. So let me prepare and make the food.
Slim magic, baby.
Pepper soup is ready, but yeah, it's just for my husband, for him and him alone, and maybe if anybody comes around I can just give them little. I won't be having any just because I really don't like meat for now. So that's it. Let's see what the banana bread looks like. There she is. So I'm sure it will be ready in a few minutes. So this is what it looks like. My banana bread is ready, and it seems as if all this particular vlog was mostly about me cooking and cooking and cooking, and yes, that's what I like to do, you know. And it's not like I eat that much, but I just love to cook. So anyway guys, I just have to end this vlog here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.